Hello everyone. This will be our 6th video on how to integrate for asset management analysts multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi. Today, I would like to focus on contract management and compliance, two critical areas in our operation. How can our multi-agent system help us optimize these processes?
The multi-agent system addresses these areas through two key components. First, we have the contract management agent, which is responsible for managing and tracking all contracts, both internal and with suppliers. Secondly, we have the regulatory compliance component, which ensures that we comply with all our legal and tax obligations.
Perfect. We know that contract management in the traditional model involves a lot of manual tasks, and often the information is scattered in different documents. How does the contract management agent solve this?
The contract management agent automates contract administration using natural language processing, or NLP techniques. This means that the system can automatically read and extract relevant information from each contract, such as due dates, specific clauses, payment amounts, and penalties. With this information, the agent generates alerts and reminders when a due date is approaching or when a contractual aspect needs to be reviewed.
That's really helpful. Today, we have to manually review every document to make sure we don't miss anything, which is very inefficient and error-prone. This has led us to face difficulties in time management and missed opportunities due to lack of information at the right time.
Exactly. By automating this process, we reduce the risk of omissions and speed up decision-making. In addition, the system maintains a centralized record of all contracts, allowing us to access information quickly and accurately at any time. We can even visualize trends in contract management to improve future negotiations.
I understand. And in terms of regulatory compliance, how do you manage that part of the process?
For regulatory compliance, we have integrated a submodule within the same agent that manages tax and regulatory calendars. This sub-agent monitors key dates for tax payments, such as VAT, IBI, and withholding taxes, and is kept up to date with any changes in current regulations. In case any regulatory update is detected, the system sends an immediate alert so that we can adjust our processes and avoid non-compliance.
This is critical, especially considering the dynamic regulatory environment in the renewable energy sector. Avoiding penalties or fines is a priority for us, as they could affect our profitability and reputation in the market.
Exactly. In addition, the system not only alerts us of due dates and regulatory changes, but also generates periodic reports that help us verify that all obligations are being met. This gives us an extra layer of security and control, facilitating internal and external audits, reducing the manual workload of the accounting and legal teams.
So, with this system, we not only optimize contract management, but we also significantly improve our ability to comply with regulations. Could you give me a practical example of how this translates into operational benefits?
Of course. Let's imagine we have a supply contract with a critical supplier, which has several clauses related to delivery deadlines and penalties in case of non-compliance. With the contract management agent, the system automatically extracts those details and sets reminders to review the supplier's performance. If the review date is approaching, or if there is an indication that deadlines are not being met, an alert is generated for the responsible team to intervene immediately. In parallel, the compliance subagent ensures that any updates in legislation that may affect the contract are communicated in time, avoiding legal risks or fines.
That's very interesting. This level of automation not only reduces the administrative burden, but also allows for more informed, real-time decisions based on accurate, up-to-date data. Can we program these agents to generate detailed reports on trends in contract management?
Of course it does. The system allows you to schedule detailed reports on trends in contract management and compliance. This facilitates the identification of areas for improvement, the detection of problematic patterns, and the optimization of internal processes.
I see this approach as having the potential to improve our operational efficiency and, at the same time, reduce legal and financial risks. What impact do you think this will have in terms of costs and team productivity?
The impact is very positive. By automating repetitive and critical processes, we significantly reduce the costs associated with manual management, such as working hours and possible errors that can lead to penalties or rework. In addition, by centralizing all the information, the team will be able to quickly access relevant data to make decisions, which translates into greater productivity and a more agile response to any eventuality.
Very good. It's clear to me. This contract management and compliance system not only provides us with a more efficient and secure administration, but also strengthens our ability to respond to regulatory changes, which is vital for our industry. It also gives us more control over our relationships with suppliers and customers.
By integrating these processes into a single platform, we ensure that both contract management and compliance are automated and seamless. This allows us to operate with greater confidence and focus on growth strategies without worrying about manually tracking every contractual or regulatory detail.
Excellent. Today you have managed to explain to me how the multi-agent system can transform contract management and compliance, optimizing resources and reducing risks. I believe this approach can make a big difference in our daily operations.
I am glad to hear that. I am convinced that this system will help you modernize your processes and achieve higher levels of efficiency and safety.
Thanks to you. I look forward to seeing how this solution is implemented and generates tangible benefits for the company. Could you provide me with the contact of someone to clarify more specific questions about the processes for our company?
Of course you can. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve facility management.